Hey, it's Roamin Rich. Thought I would bring you a special surprise. I'm going to take you for an updated tour of LaBajada in New Mexico. I'm going to go ahead and start my tour by first driving up the old alignment, which predates Route 66, and then we're going to try to drive back down. That'll be pretty cool. So let's get started. Like I said, we're going to take and go the northern route, which is the old alignment, and then we'll probably come back down the newer route, which was Route 66. So I hope you enjoy, and let's get started here. So here we start our climb up the hill to this really narrow path, and probably a good idea to have a high clearance vehicle or four-wheel drive. Or tractor.
Come along with me. Well, let's fly.
Oh, good Lord. It's been a couple of years since I've gone through this stretch of road, and I don't remember it being quite this bad, but it's pretty hairy. Skid plate. I hit it.
Come along with me. Yeah, we don't know what we're doing, we just do what we do. If you could do it, you'd be doing it too. So just carry on. There's too much we gotta see. Yeah, I think
So here we have the first part of LaBajada. Both alignments share this path. It's a pretty rough path. As I said earlier, you want to have a high clearance vehicle. I would say at this point, four-wheel drive is going to be a must. I bottomed out a few times in my truck through these parts, and the worst part is right down there. That was the roughest, which is the exact first part. So hopefully beyond here, from what I remember, it should go pretty smooth. Hopefully it'll go a little bit easier than that first section, and won't have any problems. So stay tuned, we'll keep going.
Just a dancing away, got the gypsy babies laughing and they're singing away. It's a real good time. Everybody come along.
That's a big bump.
Take off your shoes, then we'll sing you a song.
Yeah, I'm gonna quit telling people that LaBajada isn't that hard.
Everything seems to be going our way. We're just a band of gypsies traveling across the land. King Daddy's traveling circles. It's good to see you again. I'll take it, Blackie. I'll lay down. good to see you again.